You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is a bit confusing. The spelling is a bit confusing. It means a sly or cunning intelligence, deceitful. Essentially somebody who's deceitful. This is used in the Bible as well. So if you want to look up pronunciations of Bible names, stay tuned. Here the English pronunciation is as guile. Guile. Yes, it's a hard G. Not guile, guile. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.